Hi, welcome back to another episode on the Leyland tractor. It's going to be a short episode this week because I haven't done much filming this week. These wings have been stressing me out. In the last episode, these were all hung up and painted. Then I went on to drop one of them on the floor and it landed right on the top. It happens. I then went on to balls them up 2 more times. I ended up painting these 4 times. But the result, they're blue, they're shiny, they're fitted to the tractor. All the lights are painted and fitted and wired up, at least to the centre of the rear end here. I've got to make the other wire. I haven't finished the number plates around yet. That's hung up here. I'm just working on that. But yes, I say it's a short video, but it's a worthy video. I've got lights on my tractor. Very pleased. This is the first time I've seen this tractor fitted with the proper wings and lights in blue, and I'm very happy with it. I've missed one piece on the very front of the seat where it was hung up when I painted it. It's just one long strip all along the front. I'm just going to touch that up with a brush. You can only see it if you get down on your hands and knees. But yes, the back end of our tractor is nearly done. I will attempt to film a bit more of me cleaning up the link arms and stuff. Best I can without being too boring. But in next week's video, we can get them all fitted up. Well, next week's video will be the full process. Cleaning them, painting them, and getting them bolted to the tractor. Once they're on and sorted out, and that little toolbox is painted blue, I shall get the tractor out, give it a really good wash, and bring it back in the other way round so we can start work on the bonnet. And then we're getting close. We're getting close. Yeah. Final word on the fiberglass wings. They're good. They need a bit of work. They're not a finished item, but they've done a great job reproducing them. They look good on the tractor. They certainly look better than a beaten up old metal one. I'm pleased with them. Very pleased, in fact. So, progress is being made. And we will soon be rolling this out of here, a finished tractor, I hope. Now, after the tractor, I brought a 2-furrow plough for this tractor. I brought it off Facebook Marketplace because it came up local cheap and it seems to be a pretty good plough with not a lot of wear to the boards on it. But I don't know what make it is. I don't know what year it is. It's got a spoked land wheel, whereas all the other ones I watch on the internet seem to have a solid metal land wheel. Now, I know nothing about ploughs, but I think because this is a blue tractor, I'm tempted to hunt out a Ransom's plough, similar blue. If I could get a Ransom's plough of similar vintage to the tractor, I'd be very happy. I might sell the one I brought on. I might not. We'll look at that. When I can pull it in with the tractor, we'll have a look and make our minds up. But all things being well, we'll do the plough next. Just so it's done. And then we got to move on to some other projects. The major project coming up is this workshop. It needs better lighting. I need to get the walls cleaned up and painted white. I want to put Kingspan on the ceiling and paint the floor. And I want new doors and a wall on the front here. I'm going to film all that as well. I don't know why, but I will. So that is where we're up to. We're getting close. We've got the rear end nearly done on the tractor. And the front end is just the bonnet. All the mechanics are done. The tractor runs great. The gearbox works great. The brakes work great. All the dials work. Everything works. Very pleased on that front. Yeah. We're getting there. It's just that bonnet. And that's going to be interesting, to say the least. I am not a panel beater. I am not a paint sprayer. I I'm just a bloke that'll give it a go, you know. None of this stuff's impossible for you to do at home. You just got to have a bit of an attempt, a bit of faith. But yeah, there we go. If you want to see this rear end completed next week, see the lights light up, see the linkage on, you better hit that subscribe button or you're going to miss it. Life's too short to be missing stuff like that. It's exciting stuff. I see my subscriber count's gone up to 127, which some people go, oh, that's not many. That's immense for me. My wife won't talk to me about this tractor. Her eyes glaze over and you can see she's bored straight away. So the fact 127 strangers are coming in every week to watch it, oh, that's brilliant. Better than I thought it would do. So there we go. Yeah, next week we'll get some linkage on. We'll get some lights lighting up. And I'll probably give it a wash to get some of the dust off of it. And then we are getting somewhere. So that's it for this week. Not a lot of action. Like and subscribe or you'll miss next week where there will be some action. So thanks for tuning in and I'll see you next week.